Hi, I'm Jackie, and today I'm going to show you how to easily migrate your business from ClickFunnels to Systeme.io for free. If you're currently using software that you're not happy with, it can be a real challenge to even consider migrating to a new system. And the prospect of manually transferring your website and your sales funnels and email lists and automations can be really daunting. And this can really deter businesses from exploring better alternatives. However, with Systeme.io's free migration service, you can finally make the switch without the hassle. And the way to do it is to sign up for an annual plan. And the annual plans you've got here, you've got your startup at $228 per year, and a webinar for $396 per year, and unlimited for $828 per year. And with regard to the unlimited plan, if you sign up for the monthly plan, which is, I'll just come over to here, $97 a month, you can also claim a free migration. And if you sign up with my link to the annual plan, and once you've had the migration done, I would be happy to offer you a 30-minute free strategy call just to go over any kind of questions or queries that you may have. And that would be a Zoom call. Okay, let's move on. So the migration, once you've decided to sign up for the annual plan, you'll then receive an email from Systeme.io just to confirm. And once you've had that confirmation, you'll be able to then email them back and ask for the migration to be done, to be carried out. Then they'll email you and ask you what you need to have migrated. So the migration process includes the following. It'll import your contacts, your contact lists. It will duplicate pages of your sales funnels. It will duplicate your blogs and articles and your courses. It will transfer any user emails and campaigns to Systeme.io, and it will duplicate your automations. They'll recreate any website. So if you've got a WordPress website, they'll recreate it on Systeme.io. So it's an awful lot for free, and just for signing up for the annual plan. And just before I finish, I'm just going to go over how much you save. So just to go over the pricing and the discount, the savings that you make from signing up for an annual plan. For the startup plan, you're paying $228 per year, and normally it's $27 per month. So this means that you actually save $108 per year. And if you sign up for the webinar plan, which would normally be $47 per month, you'll save $168 per year. And for the unlimited plan, which is normally $97 per month, you'll actually save $336 per year. So it's really worthwhile signing up for the discount anyway and signing up for the annual plan. So if you'd like to sign up for the annual plans or the monthly webinar plan, please take my links below. And as I mentioned before, I'll offer you, after the migration, I'll offer you a free 30-minute Zoom strategy call just to go over any questions or queries you may have, and I'll certainly try to help you. So thank you for your time, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.